So in this series of videos, we're going to look at the basics and mechanics of Python. But before we do that, let's look at what is Python. So Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language that has some high-level built-in data structures, such as lists and data frame that just they are combined to provide a very attractive approach for rapid application development. Okay. So what makes Python very popular and easy to use is that it's actually simple, easy to learn, and the syntax actually emphasizes on readability, right? So this just reduces the burden on program maintenance. Another great feature for Python is that it supports a plethora of modules and packages, all right? So this kind of just encourages program modularity and code reuse. Okay, so this is what makes Python very versatile. So why is Python popular? So let's look at what makes Python popular. So you can see these are the different applications that we can use Python for. So in AI, we use Python for machine learning, for both regression and classification problems, and also more recently in deep learning applications like medical image analysis. We also use Python for robotic application. I'm sure you've seen the DeepMind, where we see that robot doing some great stuff. We've seen that in quantum computing. We also use Python in web development. Just tries to connect to SQL, NoSQL databases, allows you to, access data through a browser. Web scraping, for example, let's say we wanted to extract some big data, like maybe from Twitter, Fire Engine, right? Firehose, for example. Okay, you can scrape large amounts of data, okay, from social media using Python. You can also use it for automation and testing, and also blockchain. All right, so blockchain here simply is just a list of records, right, that are linked to one another and provides a transactional chain. So Python just provides that platform to make it immutable and hackable, persistent, and distributed. And lastly, for ethical hacking, Python is extremely useful for cybersecurity. Provides different functions for malware analysis, scanning, and for penetration testing tasks. So in a nutshell, that's Python. Next, we're going to look at what a variable is in Python.